I just want to share with you a quote from Audrey Hepburn. Nothing is impossible. This word, the word itself says, I'm possible. You need to refrain that kind of statement. Okay, let me break down the quote from Audrey Hepburn in a simple manner or simple way. The main message is that nothing is impossible. When you look closely on that kind of quote, or when you look closely at the word impossible, you see that it actually says that I'm possible inside of it. What Hepburn is saying is that even if something seems impossible, it's actually possible if you have the right mindset and right attitude to move forward or to do something. The idea is that you should not let the word impossible break you or discourage you. Instead, you should focus on the fact that the word itself contains the words, I'm possible. Which is, it suggests that the right approach, the right manner, the right side of that situation, you should be focusing, not the negative side of it. So, the key is to have a positive attitude or can-do attitude and believe in yourself. Even when a goal or task is being given in a difficult way, you should believe in yourself because you already overcome and know some kinds of approach. So the correct mindset is, I can do this. Then you have to increase the chances of making it happen. So lastly, Hepburn is encouraging everyone that you need to be optimistic and look on the brighter side of your life. This implies not to be limited by the idea of something being impossible, but to instead focus on the possibility. Focus on the statement, I'm possible. Meaning you can achieve it, and through determination and positive outlook, you can do that. So thank you so much, and I hope this quote inspires you for this day.